I just baked some bread and this will be our dinner tonight. And in case you wonder why we Germans never get tired of eating bread, that's because we have such a variety of things we can put on our bread. Besides all the different kinds of cold cuts and cheeses and bread spreads. We also have a couple of different salads that we like to put on our slice of bread. And one of these salads is called a Fleischsalat. It's translated meat salad. And I will show you today how I make this. Here are my ingredients. I have some bologna here. In Germany we have something different, a different kind of sausage or wurst that we use for this, and this is kind of very close to what we have in Germany, so this will work just fine. I also have some chopped onions, some pickles, and I also have some paprika, some salt, some pepper, some Worcestershire sauce. Also, I need parsley and mayonnaise. I'll start with the mayonnaise, and I don't really have exact measures for you today. I will just show you how much I'm using. And I will take some of the pickle water and add it to the mayonnaise and mix this. Some people add some yogurt to this mayonnaise to make it a little lighter. You can do that if you want. And I'll add like a spritzer of this sauce, a little bit of salt, some pepper, and just a little bit of the paprika. If you like, you can also add a little bit of sugar. Okay, that already looks nice. Now, in my next step, I will take some of the cucumbers. This is a German brand, Hengstenberg. They call it crunchy gherkins in English. Weird. Okay, so I will put them in half and slice them quite thinly. So just to get an idea, this is about how it should be, like this. After the pickles, I will add now the bologna, and for that I want to slice this just like the pickles, very thinly, but also not too long. So it's a little difficult with the shape of the bologna, but you know, I manage. And you see how thin I slice this. So now I have it and put it into the bowl. These are like 10 slices of the bologna. Okay, now I'm adding also the onions. and finally the parsley. Okay, now it's time to mix this all. Let's taste it a little bit. See if it needs some more of the spices. Really good. But I will add a little more from the pickle water. Let's see. Perfect. Fantastic. This has to be in the fridge now for about 2 hours to taste best. I mean, I could eat it right now, but it tastes even better if you let it chill for 2 hours in the fridge. And then tonight, when we have our dinner, we'll just cut some of my bread and enjoy it with some Fleischsalat. I hope you like this. Try it. It's very delicious. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video.